children, welcome to our school Sri Vedada Universe School. I am Kamala and this is your English class. Now we started our last lesson, lesson number 7. What is it? The most important pencil. Yesterday I just briefly explained you about the lesson. Yes children, I hope all of you have learned this spellings and the new words. Let us one more time just read the spellings, then start the lesson. Okay children, what is the first one? Important, cliff, huge, beach, desert, reasoned, nasty, movement, quarrel, artist. When I am reading, read with me. Next one, the meanings: cherish, protect and care for. Protect and care for. Cliff, a steep surface of rock. Exclaim, strong emotion. Threaten, to cause harm. Quarrel, an angry argument. Okay, these are the meanings and the new words. Now open your course book, page number 50. Page number 50. Have you opened, children? Always when you start watching this video, you keep your books ready. When I ask you to open, you can open. Okay children, now here you can see the pictures of that boy Rohan. He is sitting nicely near his desk and he is painting something. Next picture you can see the color pencils, what colors are there, and they have faces also for arguing. And then in the next picture also you can see that each one again is arguing. And in the last picture you can see that boy holding all the pencils and saying that I am the most important. Only 2 pages of this lesson. So shall we start? Now I will just read and explain you. You just look into the book. Okay children? So R-O-A-N is what? Rohan. Rohan is the name of that boy. R-O-A-N is Rohan. Rohan, a 7-year-old boy. How many years old he is? 7 years old. Is very fond of his 7 color pencils. So Rohan is 7 years old and he is also very fond. Means he is very likes very much. He loves very much what? His 7 color pencils. What he loves very much, he is very fond of what? The 7 color pencils which he is having. Now he puts them in a box and fondly cherishes them. Then what he does after using the pencils, he keeps them nicely in the box and cherishes. What you have learned about cherish? Protect and care for. So he protects them nicely after using. He keeps them back in the box and nicely keeps the box somewhere so that they won't get spoiled. So that is cherish them. Next one. One day, the 7 colored pencils in the box had an argument. So, this boy kept the 7 pencils in the box and kept the box somewhere. Now, these pencils which are in the box, they started arguing with each other. Argument means what? Arguments means quarrel. Quarrel means an angry argument and arguments with quarrel. Means that I told you already. Means they started first, they start talking. After that they start fighting. So that is argument. What are they saying? Let us see now. I am the most important of us all, the green pencil said. So first the green pencil started. See, when they said green pencil, it's written in green color. I am the most important of us all, the green pencil said. The green pencil said what? I am the most important out of all the colors. Why it said like that? I can draw a forest for it grows everywhere. Because I can draw a forest which It will be in what color? Green color. Leaves, trees, plants, everything will be in green color. So it is said because plants and trees are very important. Nowadays everyone is saying to plant more trees, not to cut the trees, because we get fresh air from the plants only, and food, everything from plants. So that's why the green color said I am the most important, because the forest, plants, everything are in green color. So we can draw with this color all that one. Now let us see next. Here I and VE. See, it is given like this. It's given I and VE. This one we have to read as I is I, VE is, it depends upon the sentence. Now here it is I have. VE means what we have to say? Have. I have, the short form for I have we can write like this. So what I have never seen a forest on the cliffs. Now the next pencil started talking. I have never seen a forest on the cliff. I told you what is cliff. Cliff is a rock, rocky mountains. You can see some mountains which are rocky, means there won't grow any forest or plants or anything on the mountain. Then it is called a cliff. So it was saying I have never seen forest on the cliffs. The brown pencil argued. Then the brown pencil got up and said what? Now you are telling everywhere forest, green, green, green. But there are some mountains where there are no forest or plants on that one. What about that one? That one will be in brown color. So that is my color. So I am most important. I am more important. Any cliff is a huge stone where nothing grows. Here they are giving even the meaning of cliff. Any cliff is a huge stone. Huge means what I told you. Big, a very big stone where nothing grows. Nothing can grow on it. It is just there's mountains. Mountains are also stone also only. But there is soil on it and plants grow. But there are some mountains where nothing grows, it's just stony only. That is called a cliff. I am better as I can draw a cliff. Now the brown pencil said I am better because I can draw a cliff. Now here see, more, most, better, best, all these words you get. These are the adjectives and we'll see how we use them. Okay children? Now, next line. Your cliff will, now the pencils are talking. First the green pencil, next the brown pencil. Now it is your cliff will turn into the sand after all. Then another pencil stood up and said after all, after some time your cliff means the stony mountains means the stones will become sand. They for the heat, the wind and the water, all this one, after some time they become into sand. So they said, what is it you are telling you are so great, better, after some time you will turn into sand. And sand is of what color? Yellow color. After all, the yellow pencil said sadly. Then the yellow pencil said sadly, after some time you will become into sand. And the sand is what color? Yellow color. Why not draw a beach? Then the yellow said, anyhow you are going to turn into sand. Then why don't we draw a beach? A beach is very nice, no? It's full sand. I told beach is the sand side of before the sea. Now next page, let us see who will stand up next. The beach without a sea is a desert. Now the blue pencil was talking. The blue pencil is saying, what's the use of a sand without a sea? If there is no sea, if there is only sand, it becomes a desert. I told desert is a place where there is only sand. Isaka tappichi inke emi undadu. So that is called a desert. So the blue pencil said, what is the use of drawing sand if there is no beach, means sea? So sea is of what color? Blue color. And the sky is also blue color. The blue pencil reasoned. It's me alone who can draw the sea and clear sky also. Clear sky. If the sky is very clear, it's blue in color. And the sea is also blue in color. So it reasoned. Means it was saying what's the use of all this one when there is no sea and when there is no sky. Now let us see who next is talking. And I can draw the sun. Now the red pencils was talking. And I can draw the sun. The red pencil exclaimed with strong emotion, said, now everyone is leaving the red. They are not thinking about the sun. If there is no sun and everything is there, what's the use? And I can draw the sun, the red pencil exclaimed. What are you going to do on the beach in a nasty weather? It was saying, what are you going to do on the beach? When people go to the beach, when the weather is very nice, if it is very raining, every day raining, who will go out from the house? No one will go near to the sea and sit there if it is raining. If the sun is nicely bright, if the sun is shining very brightly, then only people like to go and sit near the seaside or riverside in the beach. They enjoy taking bath in the water and nicely sitting under the sun in the sand. So it was saying nasty weather means I told you bad. In this bad, if the weather is not, if the sun is not there, the weather is bad means. So it will be rainy or cloudy. So it was saying in this, if the weather is nasty, who will go and enjoy the beach and the sea? Next one. Mine is the most important color. Then who started talking? The black color stood up. And it was saying mine is the most important color. Why? When I shade everything over, it will be night. Then it said, okay, all of you are very nice. Mountain, cliff, forest, beach, sea, sun, everything. But if I come, my color will shade everything into dark, means into black. If we use the black and draw upon everything, what it becomes? It becomes very black, dark. So I can shade everything and make it into night, it was saying. The black pencil threatened అంటే భయపెట్టింది అనమాట. So it was saying అందరూ all of you are nicely telling that I am great, I am most important, but if I come and shade everything, then what will happen? Nothing will be there, nothing can be seen, it will be all dark and night. Then there is one more pencil left. Which color is left? White. Yes. Then don't be afraid. Then white stood up and said, don't be afraid. Bhayapadakandi. Because black was threatening them, no? It was threatening them. Ante bhayapadutondi. Nenu vachanante inkedi undadani. But what happened then? White said, bhayapadakandi. What it said? Everything will be moonlit when I draw the moon. So with white, if I draw a nice full moon with white color, what will happen? Moonlit means moonlight will come, and again it becomes, means the light again comes and everything can be seen nicely in the moonlight. If there is a full moon day, how it will be? Very nice, no? That moonlight. Oh yes, so that's why it stood up and said everything will be moonlit when I draw the moon. Moonlit means the moonlight. The white pencil calmed his friends. Then the white pencil, see, for every pencil they use that color with which they are writing, but for white pencil they used white color, so that's why you cannot see it properly also. Calmed his friends. So when black pencil threatened them, again white came and calmed them. Malli bhayapadakandi ani cheppi she calmed everyone. So there all these, where are they arguing? In the pencil box only, all of them they are arguing. Then what happened? At that very moment, I said what is moment? Moment means at that particular, means at that right time, means at that time when they are quarreling and arguing, at that moment, what happened? Little Rohan, do you remember Rohan or forget about that boy? Yes, it is that boy's pencils only, all this one. So little Rohan opened the box and stopped the quarrel, saying, then he was hearing and he opened the box and he stopped all of them quarreling by saying what? I can draw everything because I am an artist. Now even each one was telling I am important because I can draw this, I can draw this. But this boy said I can draw everything. Whatever they were saying, he can draw everything. Why? Because he is an artist. And hence the most important person for all of you. So I am the most important person for all of you. If I use only your color, then only it can be drawn on a paper. Because the pencil by itself, it cannot draw. Someone has to use that color and draw it on the paper. So he has to be an artist. So if an artist uses the different colors, then only we get a nice picture or a scenery or anything, painting. So that's why Rohan said, I can draw everything because I am an artist, and hence the most important person for all of you. For all of you, I am the most important person. So please don't argue now, all of you. So that is the lesson, children. Here you are learning blue pencil, red pencil, white pencil, black pencil. What are all these ones? Pencil is noun. Black pencil. Black is when we are telling about the noun, describing the noun, it is called an adjective. Yes, when we are describing, telling more quality about the noun, it is an adjective. Blue pencil means blue color pencil. Red pencil, red color pencil means it can be just pencil. But when we are saying red pencil, we imagine then it gives a red color. So telling more about that, here they have used more adjectives. Here more is also adjective. Most is adjective. All this one will you now. You will learn now in your next class. So as usual, every time, read the lesson many times. Very easy words. That's why I gave you the hard words before. So very easy words to read. Any meaning you don't know, you can find out from the meanings. And also when you are reading, underline the words in your book. Read many times, 2 or 3 times, because you know I will always take reading from you. I expect every time you will get more improvement in reading. Okay children, that's for today. In our next class we'll see what is next. Okay children, that's for today. Let me write here. Homework is just read. Read lesson and underline spellings. Underline spellings. That is your homework, children. Read the lesson and underline spellings. Okay, that's for today, children. Have a nice day and goodbye.